Thanks, Rebecca.
Rebecca, thanks. Today is the day we, of course, honor our moms, and the tradition of celebrating with flowers dates back to the first Mother's Day in the early 1900s.
And of course, there were some last-minute shoppers today. KTLA 5's Aaron Myers caught up with some of them at the California Flower Mall. Take a look.
I just want to give a shout out to my mom. Mom, I love you. Thank you for everything you've done for me to bring me to the man I am now. And happy Mother's Day to all the other ladies out in the world, too.
Words of love for moms everywhere as crowds headed to the California Flower Mall to get that special gift for that special woman.
I don't know what I would do without her. She's my rock, and I want to say Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
I just wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms out there, especially mine, for always believing in me and always caring for me.
Mother's Day is one of the busiest for those in the flower business.
Mother's Day is the biggest day of the year. It's bigger than Valentine's Day. Over 65% of the sales for the year are going to happen around this holiday.
Many are drawn to the flower district for the variety and prices that are hard to beat.
It's very unique in that you can come and buy bulk here and make your own arrangement, or you can buy a pre-made arrangement or bouquet, or there's also in-house florists. So every stall has a florist that can create a custom arrangement for you on the spot.
The Flower Mall also offers an experience like no other for those looking for the perfect gift.
I like to say that it's one of the prettiest places in downtown Los Angeles. You come in here and you're surrounded by flowers, and the sights are beautiful, the smells are beautiful.
In downtown, I'm Aaron Myers, KTLA 5 News.